Hi and welcome to lesson 1 of this 5-part course, which is all about nutrition and what makes great nutrition. So with so much conflicting advice out there on the internet, it's probably likely that you're conflicted about food and you're wondering what makes the best diet. So here's a quick roundup of what makes great nutrition. Great nutrition won't come to an end. It is not a diet, it's a way of life. So it is sustainable for you. Next up, it creates an energy balance, so it doesn't provide you with too much or too little energy. You eat the right amount of calories for you and your lifestyle. Nutrient density is provided by great nutrition, so by eating well, you will receive all of the nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. And your next point is that great nutrition will result in ideal body composition. It will result in improved health and you'll be able to perform at your best. Finally, great nutrition is outcome based and it's very honest. So if you're eating well, you're going to have those improvements in health, body composition and performance. However, if you're not eating well, those elements in your life are just going to reflect that. In a nutshell, great nutrition is sustainable for you, and generally what's right for you is right for the planet as well, so it's also sustainable for the environment. So that's it in a nutshell. If you've got any questions about it, or if you want to have a bit further research, attached to this lesson is a more in-depth article going into the ins and outs of what makes great nutrition, and also remember there's an action point with this lesson also. Okay, so enjoy that, and if you've got any questions, please get in touch.